All right, so this is an example of growth in an IRA. So Jane deposits $2,000 each year into a Roth IRA that earns interest at 6.85% compounded annually. So our number is just going to be 6.85%. We're not dividing by any numbers. So a Roth interest is earned tax-free, so at the end we don't have to pay taxes on it. Now, due to a change in employment, deposits are stopped after 10 years. So she doesn't make as much anymore or whatever, and so she can't keep adding those in. And so the account continues to earn interest until she retires at 25 years later, okay, after the last deposit. So now how much will they have in the account at retirement? Okay, well, our future value basically is going to be what? Well, let's say future value is going to be our payment, which is 2,000 times, well, that's not a good place to put that, but whatever. 1 plus our interest, which is 0.0685, raised to the power 10, and I need another parenthesis there, minus 1, and then divided by, and then we have I as 0.0685. So that is going to be our future value at the end of 10 years. So let's go calculate that. So we had 2,000 we're making payments for 10 years times parenthesis, and then we had 1 plus 0.0685, and we're raising that to the power 10, and then we're subtracting off 1, and then we're dividing by the 0.0685. All right, so 27437.89. So that number then is going to be how much is going to be in the account after that 10 years. So we're going to have $27,437.89. Now it says it continues to earn interest until retirement 25 years after the last deposit. So now we're back to what? Well, now we're back to A is equal to P times 1 plus I to the n. So now we have, well, we deposited, uh, let's see, 27437.89 times, and then we had 1 plus 0.0685, and then I don't know why that's like that, and then we have that to the 25 years. And so that looks like everything we need. So I'm just going to do that on a calculator here. So we have 27437.89 times 1 plus 0.0685 to the power of 25. So that looks like we have a value of 143,785 point. If we round that, that's going to be 10. So that's at end of, well, that's at the end, which is the start of retirement, basically. So at the start of retirement, they're going to have $143,785.10. Okay. So they deposited so much into that kind of that Roth, the annuity. And so that was the future value. Then they couldn't do any more payments. And so then it was just interest only. And that's how we got to that. So that's at the end. And so at the start of retirement, they can start pulling out of this pool of money. All right. So let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.